The European Union, or the EU, is an important organization that affects many countries and millions of people. Most of us know the European Union because of Erasmus programs, free movement, or the euro currency. But the European Union didn't start suddenly. It was created step by step after very difficult times in Europe. In this video, I will explain why the European Union was created, how it started, and how it became what it is today. The European Union: extreme wealth, rule of law, and high education standards. But how? After the Second World War, the European countries that were devastated by the war and took some steps because they feared that the Soviet Union could start a new war. The first step was the establishment of the European Coal and Steel Community. The member countries of this community were Germany, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, France, and Belgium.
Countries wanted to create a common market, remove trade barriers, allow free movement of goods, services, workers, and capital. This period focused more on economy than politics, but it helped countries become closer and more dependent on each other.
Over time, more countries wanted to join this cooperation. They saw economic benefits and political stability. In the 1970s and the 1980s, the United Kingdom, Ireland, Denmark, Greece, Spain, Portugal joined the community. During this time, the organization also started to care more about social policies, regional development, and human rights. The third attempt: Maastricht Treaty and the birth of the European Union. A very important turning point came in 1992 with the Maastricht Treaty. This treaty officially created the European Union as we know it today. The Maastricht Treaty introduced European citizenship, stronger political cooperation, economic and monetary union. It also prepared the way for a common currency, the euro. This treaty changed the organization from mostly economic cooperation to a more political union. The euro and further integration. In 1999, the euro was introduced for financial transactions, and in 2002, euro banknotes and coins entered daily life. Not all European Union countries use the euro, but it became an important symbol of European unity. The European Union also developed common policies in areas like education, environment, human rights, migration, and programs like Erasmus help students study in different European countries and increase cultural exchange. Another cornerstone: European Union values and aims. The European Union is built on some core values: peace, democracy, human rights, equality, rule of law. The European Union aims to promote cooperation, economic development, and solidarity among its member states. Even though there are challenges and criticisms, these values remain central to the European Union's identity. In conclusion, the European Union was created as a response to war and destruction. It started with small economic cooperation and developed into a large political and economic union. The foundation of the European Union shows that the cooperation is possible, even between countries that were once enemies. Today, the European Union continues to shape the lives of millions of people in Europe. Understanding how the European Union was founded helps us understand why exists and what it tries to achieve. Thank you for listening.